In this video, we'll explore how you can create a powerful application with the help of Chat GPT and start earning money. So let's get started. First of all, I open the chat.openai.com and open Chat GPT. Here, I search for the topic that I want to create an app on. Currently, I am searching for how to create an app with WebView that opens Tech from depth.com on Android Studio step-by-step, and ChatGPT will provide me with the entire code and explain how to make the app. As you can see that ChatGPT is providing me all the instructions and step-by-step. However, sometimes ChatGPT does not provide the complete code. So I will ask ChatGPT to provide me with the complete code once. So ChatGPT has written the complete code for me here. Now, I have 3 separate codes, and these 3 codes will go into 3 different files. But where do I paste these codes? We need to paste all these codes on Android Studio. Android Studio obviously won't be installed on your computer already. So first, we will need to install Android Studio. When it downloads, we need to open the app. Here, I will click on Next and untick the Android virtual device because I want to test the app on my own phone. So I will untick it. I will click on Next and then click Finish after the installation is complete. Now we will launch it. You all need to navigate to the New Project option. Once you do that, you will see an option for empty activity. Click on that and then click on Next. Here, we will put the name we want to keep, and for now, I am using my channel name. The name you put here will be the name of your application. You can select where you want to save the entire process. I will leave it by default for now. You need to wait here for a while. Some files will be downloaded. Okay, now it's ready. Then I will open Chat GPT, and at the top, it says to paste this code in the main activity Java. So I will copy it and go to Android Studio. And you can see main.java here, and I will paste the code here. You might see some errors here, but these errors will be fixed automatically. Please note that if a package name appears above the import code, you need to leave that part and paste the remaining code. Okay, so I will go a little bit down and paste this code in the activity, main XML file. So I will open Android Studio again. Here, you can see that the activity, main XML file, is showing, but there is no option to paste the code here. So I will click on the split code option, and now we can see the interface and code both are showing here. So I will paste the new code here. Then I will go back to ChatGPT, and it says to paste this code in the Android main fest file. So I will copy this last code and go to Android Studio. Now, where is the Android main fest file? You can see it in the Android folder, and you need to click on main fests and then paste this code below to this code. This code is very important because without it, you will not get network permission. Now, you need to go to the main activity, Java file, and paste the URL you want to use for your application. Let's say there is no Amazon application, Amazon only selling their products and their website. And I want to create an application for Amazon. So I will search for Amazon on the browser and copy its URL. Then I will delete this URL and paste the copied URL in here. So now all the code work is done, and now I want to test the application on my phone to see if everything is working properly or not. So first, I'm going to connect my phone with C to check the application. So here you can see that no device is showing here. So I'm going to click on here and then click on pair device using Wi-Fi. Here, a key or code is being displayed, which we will use to test the app on our phone. To test an application, you need to turn on the developer option on your phone. For this, go to your phone and click on Settings. Then go to About, and here you need to press the build number 7 to 8 times. After this, you will see the developer option on your phone. Now, click on the developer option and find the wireless debugging option and click on it. If this option is not showing up on your phone, don't worry. I will also explain you how you can do that without this option. So here, you will see the pair device with core code option. Click on it. Now scan the key or code that was on your PC. After the scan is complete, click on the play button. Here you can see the play button. After a little loading, the application will start running on your phone. As you can see that the app is working smoothly here, you can do anything, even search for anything. Let me demonstrate by searching for a mobile phone. As you can see, everything is working perfectly fine. Okay, let's go back and search for something else. Here, there are some nice watches. Let's take a closer look. So you can do almost everything in this app. Now let's talk about that. If the wireless debugging option is not showing on your phone, then what will you do? In this case, you need only a cable. We will use the cable of the charger that you use to charge your phone. So let's see how you can do that. First of all, connect your phone to the C through the cable. Then go to the developer option and now find USB debugging and turn it on. Now come back to your PC where no device was displayed earlier, and now you will see the name of your phone here. After this, click on the play button, wait a bit, and keep your phone on. After a while, this application will start running on your phone smoothly. But there is no image or logo for the application here. It looks a little different. So we will set a logo here so that our application has a proper look. Click on the Android written on top of the Android Studio. Re-click on Android, then right-click on the app, then click on New. Click on Image Asset. Here, choose whatever icon you want set for your app. With this, you can make your app icon smaller or bigger. After doing everything according to your preferences, click Next and your app icon will be set. Now, to make an APK, we will go to Build, then Build Bundles APK. And here we will click on Build APK. After a little while, this notification will appear in front of you. Then you have to click on Locate. Now you can see that your application is ready to be sent to as many phones as you want. You can install it. You can see that the icon we set has already appeared. Now, you have the application. You might be wondering how to make money with it, right? So to earn money, we need to place ads inside it. Whenever someone uses our application, our ads will run inside it and we will earn money from it. The feature of placing ads that we just talked about I will explain in the next part of this video. I don't want to make this video too long and complicated, so I will explain it in the next video. So make whatever you had to make until now. In the next video, I will teach you how to place ads on it so that we can earn money from it. So stay tuned for that. So that's all for now. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you enjoyed watching this video and learned something new, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. We will be back with another informative video very soon. Until then, bye and take care.